Hello, we finally made it to the waterfalls. We're doing maybe two today. The first one is Tukad Cepung, which we're at now. It took us about an hour and a half to get here. We just had JFC, so we're nice and full. There's some chicken. Now we can walk up and down. But yeah, we'll take you along, you can have a look.
Let's go.
So, just paid entrance. Entrance is 15,000 each, which is quite cheap. Oh, it's raining. What are you looking at?
Palm trees. I'm not sure if there's anything there, baby.
No, there isn't. There's a little cave over there.
It's really cool over
It's cool enough?
It's a bit bird, so
I'll take these off.
Oh yeah.
Cool, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, wait, look at this. This is cool. Yeah. That's a step. Oh, shit. Good one. Oh, well done. So that was a quick look around Tukad Cepung. Now we've got the little trip back up. Diggy is absolutely soaking. We found a little tiny waterfall in a cave and she is absolutely soaked.
Hi. Oh my God.
I'm not. So I didn't go in. What we're going to do now is go to the, I think it's called Air Tegenungan, the really popular one. So you've got about another 20-minute, half-hour ride to get to that. And we're going to take a look at that one. It's going to be really busy because it's midday nearly now. But it's a nice drive on the motorbike. And maybe we get some fried bananas at the top because I'm starving.
There's a naked man over there.
Yeah, don't record when the naked man's there. Turn it off.
Is he naked?
Yeah, he's naked.
So we record the naked man.
Don't.
We couldn't find the waterfall we wanted to, but we came to this one instead and we have a look what it's gonna be like.
Yeah, we got lost and we have no sat nav left. The battery's gone.
Yeah, and we don't know how we're gonna get home, so
I don't know.
nah.
We'll find out.
Oh, this looks cool.
To Tukad.
Look at the swimming pool.
Let's have a look. There you
Entry is 20,000.
go. Oh no.
Suksama. And this place looks like that. Thank you. Getting to Bintang. A bit of refreshment when we go down there.
Hi guys. Right, so I think we found the waterfall we're meant to find, but we'll show you in a minute. It's very touristy. It's not very nice. It's basically called Waterfall Tegenungan. This one. But yeah, a bit crap, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, a bit crap. It's a tourist trap. We'll show you around in a minute. Waterfall's pretty impressive. It's pretty cool. But we did the one that we wanted to do this morning, the one in the cave, which interested us more. And this one was just on the way back basically, so we thought we'd stop and have a look. But yeah, it's not that great. Just get a beer, sit in the river, wait for all the annoying people. It's Hoffman with our beer. So no, we'll finish here, but we have one issue. We have no sat nav to get home. So we're just gonna have to try and find our way back somehow, because my phone's died.